Hello, everybody. Welcome back. This is the War Gaming Guy. And yes, we are back in Sandstorm, Crusader Part 2. So let's see how we're doing. I think so far we're doing all right. Did learn a few lessons from last time. And the big one is you really need to go for Tobruk, I think, to win this scenario. Because a historical outcome is a loss. So we don't want that. So as you can see, getting pretty close to Tobruk down here. Meanwhile, we're pushing back here, and we need to get out here and push out here and see what we can find as far as find their supplies. But for now, we're in pretty good shape. Let's see. Yeah, you guys definitely need to get strengthened. So let's... I don't know where the enemy is. I don't want to find out the hard way, but let's go ahead and advance a little bit. Oh, that's right. They haven't got down here yet, so we're okay. Yeah, good. All right, and these guys have all moved, so I think we're pretty much done with our turn, as far as I can remember. Because I can't do anything with you, right? Because you just landed. Yep, okay. We shall continue. But the British fight back. They're not going to go down easy, that's for sure. Ooh, man, they got the Italians there. We chewed their armor thrust up right here really good, but they're still fighting. Did we? Oh, beautiful. Way to go, Italians. And this guy's wants to go out there and cause trouble, even though he's cut off and has no supply. So that's not real helpful. And we need to shoot that guy down. Which we shall do, if at all possible. Going after my 88s. Missed. Oh, dang it. Look at that, too. We have got to take that thing out. And we got some infantry rolling in. And more infantry. And let's see what their tanks are going to do. Ooh. Ah, look at that. Ooh, man, they hurt my German infantry bad. Now they're going to go for my tanks? Maybe not. Okay. Interesting. Okay. Now they're coming for the 88s. You should be able to kill them. Oh, he's going to run away. Smart move. And here comes some more infantry. Probably infantry, I say, not having actually seen what's in there. All right, let's see. You should come out here. See if we can kill this guy. And close, but no cigar. I wonder if you could actually do it. I think, yes, you can. Good. Awesome. All right, you're going to come over here. Let's polish this guy off. Beautiful, my Focke-Wulf. I love the Focke-Wulf 190s. All right, let's cut him off and blow him up. Yes. What is that? Okay, that is infantry, it looks like. Let's roll up on... Ooh, what do we do? Okay, that's probably infantry. Let's do the artillery. And let's bring you over here. See what we can do to this guy. Well, we can't get any further, so we'll take this guy on too and blow him away. I like that. And let's swing you out here and say hello to some more allied infantry that we don't want anywhere near us, but we're going to have to deal with. Ooh, speaking of dealing, let's see if we can't get our 109 up to speed. Okay, now, two. I like it. Let's take that on. Get him whittled down, so to speak. Let's pull you up. Let's take him out, maybe, if we're lucky. Come on, get him. No, not quite. All right, the Germans will take him out. Of course. Germans are doing everything else around here. Let's move you up and reinforce. Meanwhile, let's see if we can. Beautiful, wiped him out. I love it. Let's take this guy out. And ooh, it's tempting, but no, we're not going to get in our trucks and get destroyed. Beautiful. Ah, so close. All right, pull you up. We are making good progress on Tobruk. I'm pretty happy with things. It's 0, 0 plus, 0, 0. Let's do that. 0 plus, 0, 0 plus. Probably won't do anything, but maybe. Ooh, we did. Nice. Well, let's pick on this guy. We got him reeling. Let's push. What happens if I hit? Yeah, he's not really going to go anywhere. Oof. Oof. Let's try it. I'm going to back you up and reinforce you and pull you in here. Probably going to lose more than I gain, but maybe I'll get lucky. Okay, let's deal with this guy pretty well there. And you can't do anything with either one of you guys. Okay, we fired off our arty, so let's see. Yeah, I just strengthened. Didn't I? Oh, I don't have anyone again, but I was thinking I did. Oh, well, never mind. Okay, that's all taken care of. Down here, you're as strong as you're going to get. You are 2. Why do I feel like I'm missing a plane? I can't get anywhere and do anything good with him, so I'm going to leave him there just to defend. Ditto with, although maybe, now he'd be in his truck form when they unload, and that would be not a good idea. We might need to pull some guys over, but I think for now, I think we're okay. Yeah, pretty sure. They want their airfield back. Can't say that I blame them. Ooh, they got me. 1 point. Bummer. They are pulling back. That's probably pretty smart. Let's see if they can get anybody here. And they miss again. But being cut off, that's going to negatively affect... Ooh, they didn't miss. Ooh. Ah, neither did they. Dang it. Got to get on that arty. But British have got a lot of troops out here. We got to find that supply depot is what we got to do. Which we shall do shortly here. They're reversing. And they're going to strengthen. I'm amazed they haven't gone after my armor. They're not. They're picking on my infantry. Which, of course, costs me less to replace. So in that sense, it's good. Here we go. Yeah, they are gonna beat me up good here. So, there he comes. All right, the Panzer Ones should be able to take care of him. Uh-oh. Okay, this could get dicey. Okay, we gave a little better than we got. Oh. Okay, that's bad. I don't like getting that low. No. Don't kill him. You may not kill him. I refuse you to kill him. Eesh. Yeah, please run away, dude. Please tell me there's no other... Whew, good. Thank goodness. All right. Let's... Can't do anything with him. Can't get him where I want him. So in that case, let's send him back towards Tobruk. We can use him down there. You, I think we'll put you up. Ah, very good. Good. He's gone. Now, I want to find what we've got out here. Okay, they answered that question. Let's bring you up. Start getting rid of these tanks. Take these Stuarts out of the question here. Beautiful. Yes, you can get him. Good, get him. Come on over here and eat up some arty. You, I think we're going to pull around here just to get you out of the way and reinforce. That's all I could reinforce you. Wow, that's not nearly what I wanted. Yeah, let's get you up. All right, let's send him in. No, that's not going to do anything. Yeah, but I don't like that anti-aircraft thing there, but I don't have much choice either. All right, let's pull back. Strengthen. Good, let's kill him. We're going to take a risk here and advance. Nope, that's what I thought. 2-1. So we'll take it. Good. Kill him. Awesome. Excellent. Should have fired that first, but that's all right. All right, we've punched through a little bit. Yeah, we'll take that. And we're going to strengthen you. We are going to move you up and then strengthen you. I want that gone. Ah. All right, we'll just have to do it this way. Do it the slow way. See if we can hurt him any. Nope, doesn't look like it. Good. Cleared that. Let's do that. Let's pull you up here. And we're going to do this even though I don't like attacking with such a weak group, but we're compressing the Tobruk perimeter very nicely now. So now I'm going to go ahead and risk this, even though I know I've got any aircraft. But good, we got him. Let's see if we can maybe hurt this guy too. Okay, let's see. We already flew you. You're just getting up. You know what? I don't think we need you there anymore. Maybe we should send you out here. Okay. I'm still... Where? Oh, you. I flew you out here. Yeah. Okay. I think that's good. Yep. Let's see what we got. They are going down fighting. Ooh, they may hurt this guy really bad. They did. Here comes the bomber. They are moving up. Maybe too little too late. Just maybe. Well, man, they're not giving up. Still. Oh, I forgot. Dang it. I was going to pull him out and I forgot. Dang it. I'm going to lose him again. Going to lose him. Darn it. He might have been able to escape, but maybe not. Hard to say. Ooh, look at all this they got coming down the coast road. Ooh, even more. That ain't good news. Ooh, that's not good news either. Yeah. Ooh, that's not good. Ah. Okay. Let's just start out here. Might as well go for it. Man, I love that Focke-Wulf. All right, where's my 109? Can't get this far. Can he get anywhere where they can help anybody? Not really. We'll just put him up here, I guess. All right, you come down here. You... I was hoping we could just kill this guy, but apparently it's going to take a little more than that. What can we do here? That's not bad. Alright, we're going to take that back. Strengthen you. You are just going to sit there and be strengthened. You want to take him on. And you, let's go ahead and strengthen him. Now, speaking of reinforcing, definitely this guy deserves it. Yeah, let's see if we can, artillery can do any good here at all. Come on, help me out, help me out. I need to get rid of this guy. Good, beautiful. All right, we'll try you. Let's try you. Okay, we whittled him down pretty good. Almost, not quite, it looks like. All right, come on, Germans. Come on, take him out. No, you didn't, but you will. All right, let's put him in there. And let's get down to Tobruk. Yeah, baby. Let's tech this guy. All right, you, we're going to pull you back, reinforce you. You're going forward and get reinforced. Let's just pound on this guy for a little while. Already did all that. You're moved. You. This guy has not moved, but he really. Oh. Ah, thought he'd be dead. But you thought wrong, but not anymore. Boom, now he's dead. Alright, you're going to get reinforced. Get these guys reinforced, get them ready to move. In fact, you are going to move. And you, sir, I don't really like that position, but we'll keep you there for now and reinforce you. Ah, now see, I remember. Well, he's certainly not going to escape doing that. Anything else? So Tobruk is just about ours. That is cool. Very exciting. These guys haven't moved. They don't need to. Well, we'll keep them there right now. But once Tobruk falls and we kill these guys, then who cares about that? Yes. Good. My Focke-Wulf will follow him. Or maybe he'll go after that, actually. Keep forgetting he's there. Oh, I'm going to bombard my Italians. Going to bomb me again. Still missed, but I think they're dead this turn. Yes, you cut him off. Congratulations. Now... Oof, good. At least he got hurt. So the once mighty 88s are about to die, my friends, as they almost always do in this scenario. But they've held out for a pretty long period of time, actually. But now is their swan song, I feared. I'm afeared they're no, they survived. Dang. Wait, no they didn't. Those rotten infantry guys are going to do my anti-tank guns in. Kaboom! There they go. Well, that's just too bad. All right. Good. Enemy reserves. Yeah, that's just great. That's exactly what I really wanted to hear. But no. But that's all right. We'll deal with it. I think that plane's like right around here, maybe? No, but I found where they are, so okay. Ooh, wait, though. As long as I can do that, I guess. I'll come over here and take a shot at this guy. Meanwhile, let's see if we can kill this guy. Which we did. He can't be reinforced. He, however, is in supply, so he can charge up here and get reinforced. He can't get reinforced either. Can he attack? He can and kill him. That's excellent. Good. Let's pull you up here. Whoa! I didn't know that was coming. Oh, really bad. Really, really bad. Oh, that's not good either. Wow. I'm just all of a sudden can't do anything right. All right, it's time for you guys to move. And you guys too. And as far as that goes, because we will soon have Tobruk, although we're going to have to move up our artillery to get it. Right? Yeah. Can I hurt him at all? No. He can, though. I may lose that unit, but if I can kill that guy, almost will be worth it. Let's soften them up a little bit. See if any of this will help. Yeah, come on, Stukas. Come on, Italians, get him. Yes! Tobruk has fallen and it is mine, all mine. Haha. But we do have to deal with this guy. And he's still gonna survive till next turn. Speaking of moving, awesome. Well, let's get these guys rolling. They don't need to be there then. I think we will reinforce them first. Ditto with these guys. Then we'll get them rolling. I'm going to have to land these planes and get them strengthened, but that's all right. And we'll strengthen them as well. Ooh, this is so nice, guys. So nice. Wow. Oh, you can start moving. Now, don't get all excited and forget where you are. Oh, yeah, he's gone. I moved all these guys. I think we're done. Let's do one more turn here, maybe, before our time's up. Well, I'll give them one thing. They don't quit easy. Interesting to see if the fall of Tobruk has any effect on them. Doesn't appear to have, but it's early. Ooh. Ouch. That hurt. Ah! That's bad. That's also not good, but I walked into that one, so I can't blame anybody but myself. Sorry, guys. Sorry that I got to send all those letters to Italy. It's all my fault. Bummer. Dude. All right. So I wonder if I can pull this one off. Is the Malta scenario next? Do I get a shot maybe at taking Malta? That would be awesome. Ouch. Dang it. Woo. They are fighting. Still fighting hard. I got a lot of troops to push through before I can get to that supply depot. Ooh, it's not good. Run away, buddy. Good. Good move. Thank you. Love my Italian tanks to run away, get reinforced, and go back in. Ah, run away. Good. All right. You may think you've won, but just you wait. Just you wait. You'll see. All right. Well, guys, that's it. I don't like to stop middle of the turn, so we're just going to stop right here. Tobruk has fallen. Up next, it is taking the supply depot. If we can wipe this out, that will beat up their supply, and we've got 7 turns. So we are in really good shape. We'll win this one, Lord willing. And so come back next time for more with the Wargaming Guy. Till then, take care, everybody. Be sure and give me a thumbs up if you like this. A subscribe would be awesome. And click the bell so you know when the new episodes are out, since YouTube won't tell you. And until next time, I'll see you later.